What's up, weirdos? Another DCA day opportunity. I'm going to take full advantage of it, guys. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. Jack stacked and fanny packed, ready to go for this altcoin season. It's going to come faster than you think. We're going to have a look at the Bitcoin chart. We're going to have a look at the Ethereum chart. We got some big things happening today. The FOMC meeting today. We also had the crypto report drop. What is going on with that, and what does it mean for the broader crypto space? We're going to have a look at all of it, guys. But first, as we always do about this time, by the way, make sure you're hitting the like and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow. It doesn't cost you absolutely nothing. So let's check out what's happening. Jasmine down 4.1 on the day, 15.8 on the week, up 19.8 on the month, but down 49 on the year. We're down one spot in rank to 99, $761 million market cap and 37 million in volume. Swift Coin up 5% on the day, down 3.5 on the week, up 10.5 on the month, and up 206 on the year, up 15 spots in rank to 323, $118 million market cap and 1.84 million in volume. Not bad, guys. Not bad. XCN up 0.5% on the day, down 9.7 on the week, up 6 on the month, and 889 on the year. We are up one spot in rank to 122, a $538 million market cap, 55 million in volume. And of course, ZBEC, little correction after having a monster week and a monster month, down 5% on the day, up 33 on the week, 55.8 on the month, and 327 on the year. We're even in rank at 135, $445 million market cap, and 51 million in volume. So we got a couple things pumping today. Swift's pumping, XRP is up almost 1%. Ethereum, we're going to look at that chart. We're continuing to put in bullish signs there. Proppy is a nice DCA opportunity there, guys. 83 cents on Proppy. Very nice. Veracity's having a nice little pump. Not bad, guys. Not bad. If you're looking to find entry points or DCA opportunities, the time is now. Not financial advice. You do you. But opportunity knocks, guys. I'm answering. All right, Bitcoin chart kind of going sideways here, guys. A little bit crazy. Such stiff support right here at about 117,275 bucks. Massive resistance at 120,000. I never thought I would see us sitting at $118,300 and see such bearish sentiment across the crypto market. It is a bullish sign to me, my friends, because one metric we like to use on this channel is the sentiment in the market. When generally most people are bearish and everyone feels the price is going down and everyone's negative, usually that means we've found a bottom. So I wouldn't be surprised to see us move up from this point very, very soon. I know that a lot of people are frustrated. I see people in the comment section of other people's videos and stuff because I watch a lot of YouTube as well. And people are like, oh, it said it's going to go up, It will, right? It will. The people who are out there right now saying that in the comment section of people's videos and stuff, oh, I thought it was going to go up, man. I thought it was going to go up. You're suffering from a real lack of patience, my friend. This market's not going to do what you want it to do when you want it to do it. And there is no technical analysis out there that is based on certainties, okay? Everything is based on speculation. All TA is based on best guess, right? Multiple things can happen on a chart in any given chart. So if you think that you're playing in certainties when it comes to charting and not probabilities, you have a severe lack of experience in the market. Even in the stock market, this is not just in crypto. This is known across all markets. There's no certainties. There is, like, I've been getting a lot of people asking me lately for guarantees and certainties, right? And my answer all the time is there's no, what are you talking about? There's no guarantees in crypto. There's no guarantees in charting. There's no guarantees in any of this, any investment strategy. There's no guarantees, right? You guys are, you have to understand, you are in an asset class. You're in an industry, really, not just crypto, again, stocks, everything, that's based on probabilities. There's no certainties in any of this. So why people are looking for certainties, I have no idea. I have no idea. But all we can do is base our thesis on probabilities, right? And right now, the probability for me is that we have definitely found our bottom here. We've wicked down a few times, but for the most part, I think our trajectory is going to be north, to be honest with you, right? Northeast is the way we are going to be heading. So just food for thought, guys. Just food for thought. Let's go look over at the Ethereum chart. What's going on over there? Ethereum continuing to put in higher lows and higher highs, as you can see. Very bullish structure. Just waiting for that massive bounce, guys. We're so close to all-time high. Look at the last 2 days have been neutral candles. Neutral spinning top candles the last 2 days. Such indecisiveness. It's crazy, right? But that break is coming, my friends. That break is coming to the upside very, very soon. You are this close. People are bearish, and you are this close to Ethereum breaking through new all-time highs and dragging the altcoins with it into the stratosphere. And people are feeling bearish. That's bullish to me, guys. That is bullish to me. As you guys know, I'm never bearish, right? I'm bullish because if things are red and down and crashing, guess what? I'm bullish. Why am I bullish? Because it's an opportunity for me to fill my bags. And when things get green and pumpy, well, I will be making even more money than I would have had I not had this red opportunity. It's all about seeing opportunities in the space, guys. You can whine, you can complain, you can piss and moan, or you can take advantage of every single opportunity that's out there. Whether we're up, whether we're down, I'm bullish. You got to have a more zoomed out, broader perspective, guys. Everyone wants to get rich in a week or else they're frustrated. Stop being ridiculous. Stop being ridiculous. All right. Now let's get into the macro news. What's going on today for crypto? But first, a quick shout out to the channel sponsor. As always, Decent Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. You simply use our link down in the description. Use the coupon code FUTURE20OFF. Get yourself $20 off your Decent wallet plus a free ZBIC airdrop to your Decent wallet. You cannot go wrong, guys, when you're getting free ZBIC as well. Guys, listen, you can swap, you can take profits right on your Decent wallet into stable coins. You can even stake through the bear market. Again, this offer lasts only till August 5th. So take advantage of it while we're still offering the free ZBIC airdrop. This offer does not apply to any other channel on YouTube. My channel is the only one that has this exclusive offer, and it is expiring very soon. Link is down in the description, guys. Take full advantage of the opportunity whilst you can. All right, so what do we have? So the crypto report dropped today. No Bitcoin reserve. The Trump administration just released its long-awaited crypto report, but left out key details on the rumored Bitcoin strategic reserve. Could that be why crypto is not really responding in a positive way today? But I don't think so. I don't think people care that much, to be honest with you. But what else do we have? I think it's coming in time, guys. It's coming in time. Check this out from the GOP, the Financial Services. Scott Bessent is right. Congress's work on the Genius Act was just the first step. Now it's time to get digital assets market structure legislation to the president's desk. The Clarity Act passed the House with overwhelming bipartisan support, getting 78 votes from Democrats. The committee looks forward to working with the Senate to create a functional regulatory framework for digital assets. Now, why I wanted to talk about this, guys, is because I'm seeing so many people out there putting the cart way before the horse. While all of this stuff is very, very bullish that's happening for crypto, these bills are getting passed, these bills are being entered, we're trying to get framework in. You really need to slow down for a moment and think. These things take time to feel the effects, right? Everyone's talking about this like the second it's passed, boom, moonshot, everything's good. No, we're not going to feel the effects of a lot of this legal framework and a lot of these bills being passed and stuff like that probably till the peak of the next cycle 4 years from now, right? So same thing with like tax benefits and stuff like that. People keep talking about, Trump wants to pull no capital gains tax on crypto and stuff, which is great. You're not going to, that doesn't mean that the bags you've been buying for the last 2 or 3 years are going to be tax exempt, right? It likely what will happen, even if it went into law today, zero capital gains tax on crypto, you'd still have to pay the capital gains tax on the crypto you've been buying and you're in profit in for the last 2 or 3 years, right? You wouldn't that stuff wouldn't be included. Usually when laws like that go into place, they're from the date that it was made legal forward, right? You don't get to rewind 3 years and not pay taxes on. So the point is people are getting way too ahead of themselves. This is all bullish, but I'm seeing a lot of content creators telling people like, well, that's it. Like volatility is going to die in the next cycle and the 4-year cycle is going to end this time around. There's no more 4-year cycle because of this and that and ETFs. And guys, everyone's jumping the gun here. This is going to take time for the effects for all this legal. We don't even have right now legal framework in place for crypto. We don't for digital assets. That's not expected to pass until the end of September at the earliest, they said, right? So it's just, I think people are getting way too ahead of themselves. This is all bullish. This is all good. It doesn't overnight change the entire landscape of the crypto industry, though. Not overnight. It's going to take years for this stuff to take effect, right? Laws have to be written. Everyone has to learn. There's an education process. There's a trial and error process. There's tweaks that are going to have to be made. It's not just, oh, we're good tomorrow. It's not how it works, my friends. It's not how it works, right? And to finish things off, what do we have here? FOMC, of course, everyone's been talking about it. Decision coming up at 2:30 p.m. Eastern today. And the White House will release its first crypto policy report to the public. Will the crypto market pump or dump? I think we're just going to kind of go sideways with what we're doing right now, to be honest with you. There was nothing, like we already covered, there was nothing about a strategic Bitcoin reserve in the crypto report, and we are not going to see, in my opinion, we are not going to see a surprise rate cut today. A pause is already priced into the market, and I don't see that changing today. What I will be watching for, however, what could pump the market today and for the entire month of August is Powell today alluding to a rate cut in September. Now, if he hints that we're going to see that, I think there's a 65% chance right now of a rate cut in September. If he says anything to increase those odds, 70, 80, 90%, markets will start to price in a rate cut in September, which means we will start to move to the upside. So that is what I will be watching for this afternoon. I will not be looking for a surprise rate cut. I will be looking for him to imply there will be a rate cut in September. That's your golden goose, in my opinion. As always, guys, if you're new to crypto, if you've never been through a bull run before, you've never been through an altcoin season, you have no idea what you're getting yourself into, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can help you navigate this space, front run the market, and get out with your profits intact before everybody else does. Because make no mistake about it, when things go nuts, it becomes a race to who can get out first. And if you're not one of the people who can get out first, i.e., if you're not in the 10% who get out first, the other 90% of people in crypto lose money, my friends. It's a transfer. If you want to make true, actual, legitimate, life-changing wealth in this space, only 10% of people do it. The other 90% are supplying that 10% with the money. They lose because they don't know what they're doing. They have no experience. They just heard somebody say that prices are going to go to ridiculous levels, so they hold too long. They hold into a bear market, right? Happens. So if you want to be part of the 10% who actually make life-changing wealth in this space and avoid being part of the 90% who do not make money in this space, Join the 10% club today, my friends. It's less than a cup of coffee a day. It is definitely worth checking out. If someone came up to you today and said, hey, if you buy me a cup of coffee every day, I will teach you how to be rich in this space. Would you not buy them a cup of coffee? Because guess what? That's what I'm asking you right now. Buy me a cup of coffee. I will give you the tools you need to succeed. Join thousands of other members in the 10% club today, guys. We're live every day. We do swing trades, educational content. We teach you everything you need to know about this space to succeed. The link is down in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.